Are you looking for a way to boost your income and quickly expand your business? BigCommerce affiliate marketing could be the solution, with no need to worry about hosting, inventory, or customer service. This program is an easy, stress-free way to earn extra cash. Start taking advantage of the BigCommerce affiliate marketing program today and start seeing the extra cash rolling in. With no limits on how much you can earn, it's time to take your business to the next level. Are you ready to make extra money? Join BigCommerce affiliate marketing now. Start earning quickly and hit the bell icon for exclusive offers and updates. You won't regret it. Sign up today. What is BigCommerce affiliate marketing? BigCommerce affiliate marketing is an easy way to make money online. You partner with companies and promote their products and services in exchange for a commission on each sale you generate. It's simple. Drive traffic to product pages, capture leads, and convert sales. With BigCommerce, you can build relationships with brands and customers worldwide and make money from the comfort of your own home. Just join an existing affiliate program or create one of your own. Then start promoting and earning commissions for every sale you generate. It's that easy. Get started today and start making money with BigCommerce affiliate marketing. Bonus tips for BigCommerce affiliate marketing. To start making money with BigCommerce, here are some tips on how to be successful. 1. Promote relevant products. You will want to ensure that your promoting items are pertinent to your audience. Promoting products that don't interest them won't result in conversions or sales. 2. Use eye-catching banners. Banners can be a great way to draw attention to specific products and offers, so make sure they'll look attractive and eye-catching. 3. Offer special discounts. If you want to stand out from the competition, offer your customers special deals on their purchases. This can increase conversions and sales significantly. 4. Utilize social media. Social media is an effective tool for promoting products and offers. Take advantage of this by creating campaigns that target your customers on various platforms. 5. Monitor the results. Finally, paying close attention to your campaigns and their effect is essential. Track your performance and adjust as needed to optimize conversions and increase sales. By taking advantage of these tips, you can maximize your earning potential with BigCommerce affiliate marketing. If you're interested in joining the BigCommerce affiliate marketing program, plenty of resources are available to get you started. From detailed tutorials and helpful articles to exclusive discounts and offers, the BigCommerce affiliate program has everything you need to start earning money quickly and easily. With an easy-to-use dashboard, competitive rates, and immense earning potential, the BigCommerce affiliate program is one of the best options for anyone looking to get started in affiliate marketing. So, subscribe now, share your unique link, and start earning. And be sure to give us feedback so we can continue to provide the best possible experience. Thank you for being part of our YouTube channel. Happy earnings!